Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about how to manifest a text or a DM from that specific person instantly. There is only one way to do this. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course where I go over this. I'm talking about this in just a 10-minute video, whereas in my Manifest Your SP course, I go into this in complete and utter depth. You have so much support, and any questions that you have, you will get answered in this course because it just goes into so much detail, an amount of detail that simply cannot be included in one YouTube video alone. So with that, I know that this is going to be the absolute best YouTube video that you have ever watched in your entire life, and it's literally going to manifest a text or a DM from any person that you wish to at any time. I'm so excited. We're going to be doing this together. Let's go. The one and only thing that you must do in order to get your manifestation, any manifestation, but we're talking about manifesting a text from your SP or a DM in any capacity, you can literally manifest whatever you want them to say in this message. It could be an email, but this one thing is quantum jumping. Now, I have done a video about this in the past and I just want to update y'all, but you can watch that video here. It is actually the second most watched video on my YouTube channel concerning law of assumption. So what is quantum jumping? To me, quantum jumping is simply deciding that in this current reality, you have your manifestation. So you have that text or DM from your SP. And by just simply deciding, you shift into a brand new reality, one where absolutely every single thing is exactly the same except for this one change, and that is that you got that text from your SP. Now, I'm also going to be doing an exercise to further cement that you are in a new reality. This is not necessary, but it's something that I have found my clients and myself really helps in order to step into this reality. And it's literally just the exercise of physically taking a step and deciding that you have this text right now. Look under the comments of that video that I just put up on my card. You will see all of these people sharing the fact that they did get a text from their SP and they're fucking so shocked because they haven't talked to them in months or years or whatever. This is real. If you guys have ever watched Inception or any parallel reality type of movie, you will know that there are infinite realities on this planet. There is a reality where you're homeless and you're shooting up drugs every day in a gutter. There is a reality where you are a billionaire. There is a reality where you have 10 triplets. Like, something can be completely drastically different, or it could just be that you are doing everything you're doing right now, but you have red hair. It doesn't matter, but the point is that there are infinite realities, meaning you cannot think enough of all of the different realities that are out there. The reality that you are thinking about actually means that you are meant for that reality, because that's the one that you're thinking about. It's your subconscious mind literally calling you to that reality. So there's no reason why you can't get to that reality of manifesting that text, because you're thinking about it. Your soul wants it. Your higher self is calling you to that. You just have to place yourself in that reality. All you need to do is figure out what you want. You want a text from this SP, let's say. What do you want this text to say? You can write it down, or you can literally just say it out loud or envision it in your mind, or you can literally just like say, I want him to say that he's sorry, and like I want him to beg on his knees for forgiveness, and I want him to send me $50,000 in cash. Like, it can be anything. So now what I want you to do is, on the count to 3, so the second that I say 3, we are physically going to take a step together like this. When you hear this sound, you do the same thing. And the second that your skin, your foot touches the floor is the exact millisecond that you have shifted into a new reality where, again, everything stays the same, but the fact that he has messaged you or he is about to message you in 1 second. We need to be very focused because everything inside of you needs to know that you are now in this reality. Like right now it's done. Like it has to be an instant knowing. You can do this a couple of times, but I know that whoever watches my videos are absolute winners. We have no losers on this channel. So if you want to claim that, subscribe as well. All you have to do is know that it is done right now. I've just received a text message from my SP. You don't have to force any feelings like, oh my god, I'm so happy, I'm excited, but it can happen if you do this and you're like, holy shit, this is my reality now. And naturally feelings may come up of excitement and you're about to like fly out of your skin, or you're thinking like, of course, like finally he fucking does it. You can be agitated because you're like, oh okay, now he texts me, like where were you before, you fucker? Like whatever it is, whatever reaction you get after this is totally natural. But I just want to emphasize the fact that as soon as your foot hits the floor, you know without a shadow of a doubt that in this reality right now, you have just received a text from your SP. So on a count of 3, ready? On a count of 3, you are in a new reality where your SP has texted you. 1, 2, 3. It's done. He has texted you right now. Now, I don't want you to check your phone. I want you to continue on with your day, because the person who has the text right now, they see it, they feel it, they reply to it, or they don't reply to it, they kiki and have fun and laugh about it with their friends or whatever. And then they just move on with this like kind of riding high type of vibe. So I want you to just let it go, because you are already in the reality where they have texted you. So it doesn't fucking matter. So just continue on with your day how you were. And I know and I promise you that they will fucking text you. They have texted you right now because you're already in that motherfucking reality. Stay in a steady knowing that they have texted you. I'm so excited for you, because if this is your first time doing this, it's going to make you like unlock the limitless potentiality of anything that you want to manifest. Like you can by just doing this exercise. So welcome to your brand new life, because you've literally like unlocked the actual secret, and that is you can manifest anything that you want right now. In this current reality, there are like no rules, there is no limitations, there are no barriers, there's no steps. It's like you decide it, you want it, you got it right now. Like Ariana Grande knows her shit. You already have it right now. I love you all so much. I know that this video was the best YouTube video that you have ever watched. My lower-key Kale agrees. I know that you are gonna have the absolute best day of your life and every single day going forward, because you're one of mine, and I love you all so much, and I'm sending you all of the good vibes and all of the power, and y'all are limitless, and I'm so proud of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.